As the winter slowly creeps upon us, chilled evening, miserable and dark mornings, you can actually feel slowly as pinch by pinch darkness, chilled darkness poured upon the evening falls can be felt, and long summer days being cut short from the both ends. And that is a time when, especially in the winter time, most of the plants, especially if they're new, they haven't been there for long, bigger roots than they have, they will intend to dry and go dead. So basically, what I'm trying to do is prepare a mint plant, which is nice and vibrant, to prepare it and repot it so we can put it inside in the winter so it doesn't die. So we have a fresh mint every day for our green tea. So what I've done, I've got a mixture there of dry eggshells. Here we will try to use none of those chemicals from outside, everything from home. Dry eggshells along with the sand, normal sand from our building work, basically. So there we have a mixture of dried eggshells from our kitchen. It's been all crunched up and turned into a semi-powder. Along with it, it's got a sand and soil, all been mixed up with the fresh banana peel, which has been chopped up and tiny. So that'll be all sitting at the bottom. Have a fermented solution of basically banana peel along with the sugar and baking soda in a bottle on the side where I mix it up with the normal water and spray it and water it. I'm about to take it out from a temporary pot where I had a tiny one branch, and that, if we look at those eggshells underneath, that's what was the secret of it being so vibrant, fresh, and growing so nicely and doing well in that pot. So I have basically transferred it into, with the soil, an eggshell mixed with the fresh banana peel chopped up, and along with we have sand. So it's a well-drained soil in there, so water doesn't stay there, and yet at the same time it doesn't go dry. It stays moisture, and so there's a bit of a layer of perlite on the top to keep it nice and warm so it doesn't dry out. And it looks good as well, so it hides out all the stuff we have added at the bottom. So that's going in our basically kitchen windowsill for the next few months or so to hide away from the winter cold, which will probably kill it if it's outside. It might come back in the summer, but we rather keep it alive as it is outside now, and it was in the summer. We have a bigger plant in the bigger bush inside a bigger pot, which is in our little plastic polytunnel where it will always stay there. We do not know whether that will stay alive. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more of our gardening adventures so you don't miss out. Hopefully you will enjoy it. Might not be expert, but we do intend to experiment to see if we can grow things naturally without the chemicals. Thank you very much. See you later.